Shalom, this is Yehudit usually from Tzfat. I'm doing this video somewhat in advance, still in Tennessee before we travel to California, because we arrive very late in California on Monday night, and I want to get this video out after I arrive for the 39th day of the 40 days of blessing. So we're coming up close to the 40th day, which will end at the night. The 40th night is the night of the 17th of Tammuz, which will be Wednesday night of this week. So we're now doing the 39th, which will be in the daytime of Tuesday through Tuesday night. So, and into a little bit into Wednesday day. So, color system today is brown again and blue, both of which could be Malchut, and scarf, which is a mixture of all kinds of colors because it's the third level, the level of the Chaf, which is the level of the world of Yetzirah, of Ruach, of the emotions. And so it's the Chaf plus Malchut is being breathed by Hashem. So again, the stepping back Chaf is like this. Or the other foot. And breathing is stepping to the side and letting yourself be breathed. Waiting for the breath, for Malchut, for sovereignty, for governance, for centeredness and groundedness and manifestation and closeness to the Shekhinah and Hashem being our breath at every moment, inspiring us at every moment, at the level of our emotional life. It's sefirah. So let's do the combinations from the crown through all the sefirot, hopefully before it starts to rain here, which is going to be very soon. So I'm going to step back for Keter, the Chaf, and step to the side for the breath. Hakma, step back right. And to the right. Bina, step back left. And to the left. Hesed, right. Wara left. Sefirot right. And cross over. Nesach right. And right again. Hold left. Yesod right and cross over. Malchut left and cross over. And then receiving Malchut, letting Hashem's breath inspire me. So I may act in the world according to Hashem's will. And may we all be blessed in manifesting our highest selves and having our emotions under the direction of the higher self, that we may find the appropriate way of expressing them and recognizing and acknowledging what we're feeling, but express them in a way that's appropriate for every situation that helps the highest good. Amen. Oh, I wanted to show this beautiful heart necklace that has yellows that can also be associated with Tiferet, the center of Yetzirah, and the third level of the Chaf. And the Chaf is usually for Netzach, so perseverance, and sometimes the yellow in the rainbow system, and other times light pink. So that's kind of helps with a little bit of my color choices today. Be well.